in this video. Unboxing the new Tarmac Works Global 64 Mercedes Formula One car. Let's go. Hello friends, I have something really nice for you today, a Mercedes W13 Formula One from Tarmac Works in 1:64 scale. Okay, let's open it. I like the packaging, as if you were unpacking an expensive watch. Interesting. What is this card? Who knows it? Write it in the comments below. There's the good part. Very nice piece straight away. Limited to 999 pieces. I'll take it right out of the base. I'll take a look at the underbody. The Formula One has a special paint job. Something like this doesn't exist in reality. It is an anniversary show car paintwork from Tarmac. Look at the little details, how well they did it. And the beautiful rear of the car, very detailed and very well painted. This is the most detailed Formula One car I have in this scale so far. Should I test the car in the wind tunnel? Write it in the comments below. What do you say? Would you buy such a model? Thank you for watching the video to the end. Bye and see you soon.